practice in health, cultural misconception, cultural missions and misconceptions and value can impact the acceptance of healthcare of healthcare of healthcare system of public health of public health of public health initiatives such as vaccination of public health initiative of public health initiative.
Say.
Into a healthcare system organization, healthcare system organization and a healthcare system organization and professional need to develop the outgoing capacity 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 need to outgoing the develop need to develop the outgoing capacity need to develop the outgoing capacity to provide high quality, safe and inequity care to diverse patient population to diverse patient population. Cultural competence.
This would be much more better now.
Healthcare system organization.
This will be much more better now. My life will work. Mày khửng sao kìa bây giờ. Internet vẫn thay sẽ. Fucking internet nè. क्या गजब सिंगाइले.
Such made the whole story not.
Sorry.
Objective management is to improve the performance by clearly defining objectives that are agreed to, whether it be divide or
Remyar.
to agreement to
Let's go Remyar.
agreement to
At salang revision.
management and employee.
Let's go.
The main aim is to achieve the professional goal. Objective management. Objective management is the improvement. Objective management is to improve professional. Objective management is to improve the performance. Is to improve the performance of an organization. Is to improve performance. Is to improve performance. Is to improve
I know.
performance by is to improve the performance of an organization. Objective management is to improve. Objective management is to improve the performance of an organization by clearly defining objectives that are agreed. By clearly defining objectives. By clearly defining objectives that are agreed by both management and employee. Objective management. Objective management is to improve. The performance of an organization by clearly defining objectives. Objectives that are clear by board management and employees. The main aim of objective management is to achieve the professional. The main aim is to achieve the professional goal.
Internet क्या गजब सिंगाइले. Taksinago. Hintayin yan. Saan kami? You make me happy when the sky is blue. Never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, my sunshine, my only sunshine. Make me happy when skies are blue. Never know how much I love you.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. Your team is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
The enemy is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Even under the withering shadow, life will yield.
Love outshines the golden
Please
crown.
pick a hero. Ninjutsu is the ultimate weapon.
So, who's next?
The enemy is picking. Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Injustice in the world.
The enemy is picking.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Objective management is to improve the objective management is to improve the organization. Objective management is to improve the objective management is to improve the performance. Objective is to improve the performance. Is to improve the performance of an individual of an organization by clearly defining objective that are agreed by the board management and employee, that are agreed by the board management and employee, that are agreed by board management and employee, that are agreed by board management and employee.
Welcome to Mobile
Executive
Legends.
management,
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
objective management is a
All
develop.
troops deployed.
Objective management is an improve.
All troops deployed.
Is to improve. Objective management. Okay. The organization boundary defining objective,
Watch your head.
defining objective, objectives that are issued by the defining objectives that are agreed by the
I'm a man with sad
organization.
stories.
Organization good. By board management and employee. By board management and employee. The objective
I have sharpened my sword for this
is to
moment.
improve the performance,
Blood.
is to improve the performance of the organization.
The heart of a warrior never
The
forgets.
organization
Never
defining
forget.
the objectives by clearly defining objectives.
Too slow.
By clearly defining objectives. By clearly defining objectives. By clearly defining objectives. Objectives. There are objectives. There are objectives.
Return to the lab. Burn it to the ground.
Oh no.
Get to be the strongest.
Objective management. Objective management is objective management. Objective management is another.
For 10 years,
Objective
I
management.
have sharpened my sword for
Objective
this moment.
management is to improve the performance. Is to improve the performance. Is to improve the
The heart
performance
of a
of the
warrior
is to
never
improve
forgets.
is to improve the performance of the organization by defining
Watch your head.
objective that are agreed by board management and employee. The main aim is to
One day, I'll return to the lab.
achieve the
Burn it to
professional
the ground.
and is to achieve the professional goal.
I'm a man with sad stories. Too slow. I'm a man with sad. Another one bites the dust. Watch your head. Heart of a warrior never forgets.
These are the primary goals. These are the primary goals.
For 10 years, I have sharpened my sword.
These are the primary goals.
I'm a man with sad stories.
And growth of the organization. For the prosperity and growth of the organization. For the prosperity and growth of the organization. And these are the primary goals.
One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the
Design. And these are the primary goals. Design for the prosperity. These are the primary goals. Design for the prosperity. This are the primary, these are the primary goal. Designed for the prosperity. Designed for the prosperity and growth of the organization. These are the primary, these are the primary goal. These are the primary goal. Designed for prosperity growth. Designed for the prosperity and growth. Design for the prosperity and growth of the organization. Survival, profit, growth, survival, having enough generating sufficient profit to cover risks and costs. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit to cover risks and costs. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit to cover risks and costs. Generating sufficient. Generating sufficient to cover. Generating sufficient. Generating sufficient. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit to cover risks and costs. To cover risks and costs. Generating sufficient. Generating. Generating sufficient. Generating sufficient profit. Generating sufficient profit and profit to cover risks. Generating. Generating sufficient profit to cover risks.
Never forgets.
Generating
One
profit.
thing, a return to the lab. Burn it to the ground.
Sufficient cost to cover.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been solo kill. Our turret launch attack. Understood.
Too slow. Another one bites the dust. Sad story.
Following. Team destroyed.
The heart of a warrior never forgets. I have sharpened my sword for this moment. One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the ground. Watch your head. Too slow.
Enemy has been slain. Request backup. Enemy equipment on A.
Another one bites the dust.
That was amazing! Brilliant tanking!
Watch your head.
Your team destroyed a turret. Instant kill! Great play! Victory!
Kill all.
Isolation is my way of missing
Your
you, my
team
dear
is
brother.
Miss Luna.
Smash them! All troops deployed! Understood.
We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Hi-ya!
First blood. That was amazing!
Elves are so pretty, but Leonins are cute too.
Taking purple. Initiate retreat. Understood.
Nana has learned.
An ally has been slain. Enemy missing.
Huh.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Apple pies are the best things ever.
Gather at the turtle. Okay. Initiate retreat. Understood.
It's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up.
Enemy reached level 4.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana? will share everything with you, because we are friends. Hi,
An enemy has been slain.
huh,
Hang in there.
huh.
An ally has been slain.
Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters. Mama told me not to judge others.
Slain. An ally has been slain.
Don't bully me!
Request backup.
Understood.
An enemy has been slain.
I can control my power now.
Ult is not ready. Push first.
The sky, the clouds, the
Enemy
grass,
battle
and the
spell on
berries.
TV.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Mama told me not to judge others. Apple pies are the best things. Don't bully
Killing
me!
spree.
Instant kill.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Shut down. Enemy rampage. Request backup.
I will share everything with you, because we are friends. Huh! Don't bully me!
An ally has been slain. Mega kill. The enemy has slain the turtle. It's been destroyed. Shut down.
Bully
Enemy
me!
dominated. Our turret is under attack.
It's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself
Our
up.
turret has been destroyed. You destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Enemy
Don't bully me!
monster kill.
Great play.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An ally has been slain.
Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters. We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Huh.
An enemy has been slain.
Elves are are so pretty, but
Ally
Leon's
has
are
been
cute
slain.
too.
An enemy has been slain. Attack the Lord. Battle fell in
Huh. Hi-ya! One for the little girl who lives down low. Don't bully me!
has slain Lord. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana? Don't bully me!
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally turret has been destroyed. Legendary.
Great play!
Our turret is under attack.
Hi-ya!
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Keep an eye on the map. Okay.
Two. Huh. Huh. Huh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Hi-ya!
Battle fell in
Huh. Hi-ya!
Your team destroyed a turret.
Don't bully me!
On control. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Triple kill.
That was amazing!
Initiate retreat.
Don't bully me!
Legendary.
띠용.
Victory.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Do you want to make friends with Nana? You're so pitay ke kibana tui mangra. Boyfriend bay higher la. Hey, Shani. Chichamne. rasa lumsa. 열심히다 그 기뻐하는 되마. 맨날 건 보자 달라.
Please ban a hero.
알았어. 몰라요. boyfriendly 하이를라 링라크 열소나
The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are.
target.
Payback. Please pick a hero.
A thousand winters have led to this moment.
I can be your hero, baby. Dun, 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 dun. I can kiss away the pain. Oh
I see
yeah,
lots of prey.
I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. I can be your hero. I can kiss away the pain. Now I stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. You can take my breath away. I can be your hero. I can kiss away the pain. Now I stand by you forever.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds to the enemy reached the battlefield. It's last time. All troops deployed. Do you mean it?
Standing before you, the greatest magician in the world.
Do you mean it?
Pick a card, any card. Blood. Initiate retreat. Just stick to my plan.
Do you mean it?
I swear, you've never seen magic like this. We don't need to get shocked on that, guys.
Do you mean it?
I will stand up for her anytime. Burn, burn. I swear, you've never seen magic like this. Ha! Ha! The hero always defeats the villain. Ha! 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 Standing before you, the greatest magician in the world.
The best magician in the world.
Launch attack. Okay, pick a card, any card. Initiate retreat. Okay. Launch attack. Okay. We don't need to push off back, bad guys.
Now I stand forever. You can't take my breath away.
Killing spree. Shut down. Burn, burn. Enemy rampage. You have slain an enemy. Just stick to my plan. The hero always defeats the villain. Request backup. Burn, burn. Killing spree. Double kill. Just stick to my plan. Initiate retreat. I swear, you've never seen magic like this. Request back underscore card. Any card. Ha! 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 I will stand up for initiate retreat. Ha! Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been unstoppable. Standing before you, the greatest magician in the world. Initiate retreat. Understood. Executed. Epic outplay. Well played. Ha!
Let's see the outplay.
Ha! Pick a card. Any card. Ally initiate retreat. Understood. The hero always defeats the villain. Request launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Burn! Burn!
Yêu hi song ra.
Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. The greatest magician in the world. Burn! Burn! Slain. Double kill. I swear, you've never seen magic. Burn! Burn! Just stick to my plan. Ally has been enemy double kill.
Sas. Lại.
Burn! Burn!
Hả?
Launch attack. Understood. Okay.
Andre.
Standing before you is the greatest magician in the world.
Launch attack. Request
Understood. Stick to my plan. Ha!
An enemy has been slain. Gather up the Lord. Request backup.
The hero always defeats the villain.
Attack the Lord.
Ha! Ha! Standing before you is the greatest magician in the world. Have the card? Any card.
Sling mode. Triple kill. Shut down. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy triple kill. Shut down.
We don't need to go soft on the bad guys. I will stand up for her
Our
anytime.
turret is
Standing before you is the greatest
Standing before you, the greatest magician in the world.
I swear. Burn! Burn!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. Slain. Our base is under attack. Double kill. Request backup. Initiate mega kill. Request backup.
I will stand up for her anytime.
Initiate retreat.
We don't need to go soft on the bad guys.
Request backup.
The hero always defeats the villain. Ha! 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 Just stick to my plan.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Ha! Burn! the greatest magician in the world. Legendary.
What? Go.
Defeat. I am the legend of Zlatan. Your team is banning. Please ban a hero. The enemy is picking.
I'm bound by nothing,
Your
be it
team
family
is
or
picking.
destiny.
May the blood of my enemies flow from my spear. Every bullet of mine is
The
a
enemy
gift
is
for you.
picking.
The purple dragon is ready
Please
anytime.
pick a hero.
The abyss gazes back.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
The falling stars brought us here.
The enemy is picking.
Can't stand in my way, will be divine. Demons shall bathe in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Choo! Huh. Meet your end. Come to me. Request backup. By the will of the stars. Huh. Huh. The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet. Behold the stars. My home. First blood. An enemy has been slain. Well played. Ally has been slain. The stars see all, but they never care. Everyone gets to make their own path. Rain of stars! A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. And then it became me. Shine for me! Celestial revelation! Get lost in the stardust.
Enemy reached level 4.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Enemy reached level 4.
I have my destiny on my fingertips. Start. Shine for me! Launch attack!
Understood.
However far, I'll reach every burning star. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Come to me. Slain an enemy. Stellar confinement. Shine for me. Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio. Come to me. Shine for me. Launch attack. Shine for me. Ally celestial revelation.
ไปก่อน
Epic outplay. Back to the embrace of the night sky. Request backup. Come to me. The stars see all, but they never care. Great play. Double kill. Flare. Rain of stars. An ally slain the turtle. I can't fall. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Time to look for new possibilities. A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. And then, it became me. Ally has been slain. The paths of life are not in the stellar confinement. Celestial revelation. Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy killing. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Stellar confinement. Turtle Slayer. Brilliant. Great play. Stargazers only see the past. What I want, however, is to reshape the future. The stars see all, but they never care. An ally has been slain. Godlike. Stargazers only see the past. Launch attack. What I want, however, is to reshape the future. Come to me. Shine for me. Celestial revelation. Launch attack. Understood. Kind of blueness, boundlessness devoured me, and then it became me. Get lost in the stardust. Ally has been slain. Shine for me. Enemy double kill. Our turret has been legendary. Shut down. Enemy triple. You have slain an enemy. You saw it coming. I have my destiny on my fingertips. Our turret is under attack. Slain an enemy. Destroyed. The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet. Gather up the Lord. And don't look back. Everyone gets to make their own path. Chup. Huh. Chup. My home has long gone with those stars. Celestial revelation. An ally has been slain. Shine for me. stellar confinement. Shine for me.
Tinaca.
Rain of stars. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Gather up the Lord. Flare. Shut down. Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Gather up the Lord. Back to the embrace of the night sky. Under attack. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Behold the stars. You have been slain. I can't find. Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Follow Lord. Your team destroyed a turret. Time to look for new Your team destroyed a turret. Instant kill. That was amazing. Rain of stars. Celestial revelation. Shine for me. Your team destroyed a turret. Superb AoE. Shut down. Superb AoE. You have slain an enemy. Great play. Stargazer's own team has company. Victory! The falling stars brought us here.
Keep moving forward so you don't get bogged down by the sand.
Good night, guys. Mang pa mayaw say. Good night, everyone. Mang pa mayaw say.